a husk, holding a quite different personality. The younger Terran answered his fear with an attack from the old days of ruffian fighting in the dumps of Tyre. He brought his right hand down hard in a sharp chop across the officer's wrist. The bone coin spun to the sand, and Thorvald stumbled, staggering forward a step or two. Before he could recover balance, Shan had stamped on the medallion. Thorvald whirled, his stunner drawn, with a speed for which Shan gave him high marks. But the younger man's own weapon was already out and ready, and he talked fast. "That thing's dangerous. What did you do? What did it do to you?" His demand got through to a Thorvald who was himself again. "What was I doing?" came a counter demand. "You were acting like a mind control." Thorvald stared at him incredulously, then with a growing spark of interest. "The minute you dripped water on that thing, you changed," Shan continued. Thorvald reholstered his stunner. "Yes," he mused. "Why did I want to drip water on it? Something prompted me." He ran his still damp hand up the angle of his jaw, across his forehead as if to relieve some pain there. "What else did I do?" Faced to the sea and said, "That way," Sean replied promptly. "And why did you move in to stop me?" Shan shrugged. "When I first touched that thing, I felt a shock. And I've seen mind controlled." He could have bitten his tongue for betraying that. The world of the mind controlled was very far from the life Thorvald and his kind knew. "Very interesting," commented the other. "For one of so few years, you seem to have seen a lot, Lantee, and apparently remembered most of it. But I would agree that you are right about this little plaything. It carries a danger with it, being far less innocent than it looks." He tore off one of the flittering scraps of rag which now made up his sleeve. "If you'll just remove your foot, we'll put it out of business for now." He proceeded to wrap the disk well in his bitted cloth, taking care not to touch it again with his bare fingers while he stowed it away. "I don't know what we have in this. A key to unlock a door, a trap to catch the unwary. I can't guess how or why it works. But we can be reasonably sure it's not just some carefree maiden's locket, nor the equivalent of a credit to spend in the nearest bar. So it pointed me to the sea, did it? Well, that much I am willing to allow. Maybe we'll be able to return it to the owner, after we learn who, or what, that owner is." Shan gazed down at the green water, opaque, not to be pierced to the depths by human sight. Anything might lurk there. Suddenly the Throgs became normal when balanced against an unknown living in the murky depths of an aquatic world. Another tack on the Throg-held camp would be well preferred to such exploration as Thorvald had in mind. Yet Shan did not voice any protest as the survey officer faced again in the same direction as the disk had pointed him moments before. This concludes the reading of Chapter 7.